If there's one tool that can make or break your workflow in a workshop, it's your table saw. We've rounded up 20 of the best table saws you can buy right now, from compact Jobsite models you can toss in the truck to full-size cabinet saws built for serious woodworking. Let's dig in. Number 20. DEWALT DWE 7485 15-amp 8-1/4-in Compact Portable Jobsite Table Saw. We're starting with the DEWALT DWE 7485, and honestly, it packs a lot into a small footprint. You get 24.5 inches of rip capacity, which is enough to break down full sheets of plywood or OSB without a fight. The rack and pinion telescoping fence rails make adjustments quick, and everything you need, the blade guard, wrenches, miter gauge, stores right on the saw. Add in a metal roll cage base that can take a beating, and you've got a saw that's built for contractors who move around a lot. Number 19. SawStop Compact Table Saw CTS 120A60. Next up is a saw that puts safety front and center. The SawStop Compact Table Saw uses a patented system that senses skin contact and stops the blade almost instantly. It's honestly kind of remarkable the first time you see it demonstrated, but it's not just a safety gimmick. The 10-inch blade cuts with real power and accuracy, and the rack and pinion fence stays square without much fuss. There's even a quick tilt feature with micro adjustment, so you can fine-tune your bevel angle. If peace of mind matters to you as much as performance, this one's worth a look. Number 18. Bosch GTS 1510 Table Saw. Bosch brings something a little different to the table with the GTS 1510. Literally, thanks to its gravity rise wheeled stand, one person can set this thing up or break it down in seconds. Under the hood, the 15-amp motor holds its speed under load, so you're not fighting the saw on tougher cuts. You also get a 32.1/8-inch rip capacity and a smart guard system with anti-kickback pawls, and that blade break stops things in about 3 seconds flat, which keeps you moving between cuts instead of standing around waiting. Number 17. SKIL TS630 700 10-inch Jobsite Table Saw. If you're after something simple and portable, the SKIL TS6307 is worth considering. Its legs fold right into a stand, so there's no separate piece to lug around. The 15-amp motor chews through hardwood without slowing down, and the rack and pinion fence rails keep your cuts consistent every time. Bevel cuts are easy too, with positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, and the dust port elbow does a decent job keeping the mess contained. Number 16. Makita 270 5x1 10-inch Table Saw with Stand. The Makita 270 5x1 has been a favorite among remodelers and cabinet installers for a reason. It just works day after day. The 15-amp motor spins at 4,800 RPM and includes an electric brake, and the cutting capacity is generous enough to rip 4-inch material in one pass. Storage for the blade, cord, and miter gauge is all built in, and that magnified scale makes it easier to read your measurements at a glance. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, which counts for a lot on a job site. Number 15. Ryobi 10-inch Expanded Capacity Table Saw with Rolling Stand. Ryobi's Expanded Capacity Saw is a nice middle ground for people who want pro-level features without a pro-level price. It's got a 15-amp motor running at 5,000 RPM, a 27-inch max rip capacity, and a cast aluminum tabletop that stays flat and durable. The stand folds up and rolls, so getting it in and out of storage isn't a hassle. And with a 3-year warranty behind it, it's a smart pick if you're watching your budget. Number 14. Metabo HPTC 10RJS 10-inch Table Saw. Here's one for anyone who needs serious rip capacity. The Metabo HPTC 10RJS gives you 35 inches to the right of the blade and 22 inches to the left. That's a lot of room to work with. The 15-amp motor runs at 4,500 RPM for smooth, accurate cuts, and the fold and roll stand makes setup almost effortless. At 96 pounds, it's still manageable to move around, and the kit comes with just about everything you'd need, right down to the outfeed support. Number 13. Evolution Art 10TS 10-inch Jobsite Table Saw. The Evolution Art 10TS stands out because it's not just for wood. Its high-torque 15-amp motor with soft start can also handle mild steel, aluminum, and composites, which opens up a lot more project types. You get a zero-clearance throat plate, a rack and pinion fence, and even a dado plate included for grooves and joinery. Safety-wise, there's an electronic blade brake and anti-kickback pawls, and the steel frame is light enough to carry without straining your back. Number 12. WEN 3720 15A Jobsite Table Saw with Rolling Stand. The WEN 3720 gives you a 26-inch ripping capacity and can handle boards up to March 9, 2016 inches thick, thanks to its 10-inch 40-tooth blade. Two table extensions stretch your work surface out to 40 by 35/7/8 inches, which is handy for bigger pieces. The fence tracks parallel to the blade for consistent cuts, and a front-mounted knob makes height and bevel adjustments simple. It rolls easily too, so moving it around the shop or between jobs isn't a chore. Number 11. Delta 3660 2310-inch Table Saw. Delta's been building tools for over 100 years, and the 36 to 6023 shows that experience. It powers through treated lumber and hardwoods without breaking a sweat, and the 32.5-inch rip capacity handles large stalk and stacked dado cuts alike. The rack and pinion fence rails make fine adjustments painless, and Delta backs it with a 5-year professional-grade warranty, which tells you they trust this thing to last. Number 10. Grizzly G0715P Polar Bear Series Hybrid Table Saw. The Grizzly G0715P splits the difference between a contractor saw and a cabinet saw, and that hybrid approach is exactly the appeal. You still get the portability and manageable size of a contractor saw, but with much better dust control and features closer to what you'd find on a full cabinet saw. Finished in white, it stands out visually too. It's a good fit if you want more refined performance without committing to a full stationary setup. Number 9. Genesis GTS 10SB 10-inch Table Saw. For anyone just getting into woodworking, the Genesis GTS 10SB is an easy place to start. The rip fence self-aligns and locks front and rear automatically, so you're not constantly fussing with it. The rocker on slash-off switch includes overload protection built in, and the oversized sliding miter gauge covers cuts from 0 to 45 degrees. Everything stores on board, blade, push stick, miter gauge, and it comes with a 2-year warranty, which is reassuring for a first table saw. Number 8. ShopFox W1837 10-inch 2HP open stand hybrid table saw. The ShopFox W1837 keeps things refreshingly simple. It's a 2HP open stand hybrid saw that focuses on doing the basics well rather than piling on extras. If you're looking to step up from a bare-bones job site saw without jumping straight into a full shop saw, this is a reasonable middle step. Number 7. JET JWTS 10JF 10-inch right tilt contractor saw. Jet's JWTS 10JF is about as classic a contractor saw as it gets. The 30-inch fence and 2 steel extension wings give you plenty of table space, and it runs at 4,000 RPM with 1/2 horsepower behind it. A heavy-duty cast iron table and under cabinet dust collection rounded out, and it's backed by a 1-year warranty. If you like a traditional, no-nonsense setup, this fits the bill. Number 6. Rikon Portable Table Saw 10-inch with stand. Rikon manages to pack a lot of shop saw functionality into a portable frame. The 2HP 15-amp variable speed motor lets you match blade speed to whatever you're cutting, which helps avoid burning your material or dulling your blade early. With a 28-inch max rip capacity, a quick-release blade guard, and rack and pinion gearing for fast height changes, it's a versatile option whether you're a homeowner, running a small shop, or working job sites. Number 5. Powermatic PM2000B 10-inch table saw. Now we're getting into serious territory. The Powermatic PM2000B is an award winner for good reason. A 5 HP motor, a massive cast iron table, and a 50-inch rip capacity that most saws on this list can't touch. The hydraulic caster system makes moving this heavyweight around the shop way less painful than you'd expect, and the digital readout on the blade tilt scale means your bevel cuts stay repeatable. This is the kind of saw a shop builds itself around. Number 4. General International TS4004 10-inch portable table saw. The General International TS4004 combines a 15-amp motor with a 30-inch rip capacity, and the whole thing folds up small enough to hang on a wall when you're done with it. Thermal overload protection and a safety switch with a removable key add some peace of mind, and the quick-release belt system makes maintenance quick when you need it. With steel and aluminum extension tables for extra support, it's a well-rounded option that doesn't break the bank. Number 3. Milwaukee 2736 20M18 Fuel ONEKE Y81/4N. Going cordless used to mean giving up power, but Milwaukee's M18 Fuel table saw doesn't really ask you to compromise. It performs like a corded 15-amp saw with 24/1/2 inches of rip capacity and enough charge to cut up to 600 linear feet before you need to swap batteries. The ONEKE system lets you track and manage the tool remotely, which is a nice touch if you're running a crew. For contractors who are done fighting with cords, this is worth serious consideration. Number 2. Hoteche 10-inch table saw with stand. The Hoteche table saw is proof you don't need to spend a fortune to get a fully featured setup. The 15-amp motor hits 5,000 RPM, and the 24-tooth blade handles rip cuts, cross cuts, and bevels across a 0 to 45-degree range. The extendable table gives you extra support for bigger work pieces, making this a solid option if you're buying your first real table saw and don't want to overspend. Number 1. VEVOR 10-inch table saw with stand. Rounding things out is the VEVOR 10-inch table saw, and it earns its spot with sheer flexibility. The 15-amp motor reaches up to 5,000 RPM, and the adjustable fence with a built-in measuring guide keeps your rip cuts honest. The bevel range runs from -60 to 60 degrees, which is wider than most saws on this list, and safety features like the dust shield and overload protection add some extra assurance. It folds up compact for storage too, closing out our countdown with a genuinely versatile all-rounder. So which of these caught your eye? Drop a comment and let us know which saw fits your setup best. And if you found this helpful, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for more roundups like this one.